Service for Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Central Massac County, Illinois, Southeastern Polk County, Illinois, Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, until 5 a.m. Saturday. At 10:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paducah, Metropolis, La Center, Wickliffe, Lone Oak, Reedman, Brookport, Barlow, Barkley Regional Airport, West Paducah, Lovelessville, Keppel, Joppa, and Blandville. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois, Massac and Polk, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard and McCracken. Airport, West Paducah, Lovelessville, Keppel, Joppa, and Blandville. Repeating, the national flood warning has been issued until 5 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois, Massac and Polk, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and McCracken.